Can an LLC DBA? Yes, an LLC can operate under a DBA, which stands for Doing Business As. A DBA allows your LLC to use a different name than its legal registered name. For example, if your LLC is Johnson Enterprises LLC, you could file a DBA to operate as Johnson Landscaping. Filing a DBA is useful if you want to brand your business differently, run multiple lines of business under one LLC, or use a more customer-friendly name without forming a new entity. The process usually involves registering the DBA with your state or county and paying a small fee. It's important to remember that a DBA does not create a separate legal entity. The LLC still holds the liability protection, and all contracts and taxes are still tied to the LLC itself. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and register a DBA so you can operate under the business name you want. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.